My name is Claire. I'm half French, half Taiwanese. I grew up in France. When I was 19, I started to travel and I lived in Taiwan, in Austria, and now I'm in Barcelona since almost 2 years. In Taiwan, I was mainly staying with the Latino community because I was dancing salsa, and they also teach me bachata, samba. Before, I was doing outdoor photography when I was in Taiwan, but here I wanted to focus more on water. I also started to learn freediving last summer, so I started to do underwater photography. In Taiwan, I've been sharing flats. In Vienna, I was also sharing flats with 8 people. And then in Barcelona, it's been the 5th time. I have 2 very, very lovely and bubbly girls from Girona and one from Egypt. So I was looking on Badi, and because of the quarantine, we had to do everything on videos. So the girls brought me for a tour with the phone, and we instantly liked each other. We cook a lot together. They are both very open and transparent, so we're constantly sharing our culture, travels. So I'm studying web design, web development. I'm polishing my photography and retouching skills. I also do yoga, I work out, I dance a lot. All of that is part of the routine. It's all about deep work. So I have an Instagram account. It's called La Crevette de Mer, which means sea shrimp in French. I'm focusing on putting pictures, surf and water imagery, and also putting a lot of stories about my past camping exploration in Taiwan, my past hikings, are all in my Instagrams. So I call my sister. It's like hearing my mother tongue and having the family vibe around. Talk to your friends, talk to your family, talk to the people that you would like to correct past conflicts. It's the best time to just rediscover yourself, rediscover your friend, help people, and just, again, be present for everybody.